We need to marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 egg for about half an hour. With the remaining cornstarch, toss the marinated chicken into it and deep fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now transfer to a paper towel to drain. Add a couple of spoons of sunflower oil into a pan. Start by frying the onions for about a minute, then add the peppers, the garlic, and the ginger. Now add the rice vinegar, the ketchup, and the sugar and coat well, followed by pineapple pieces. Now add the chicken and toss well to coat with the sauce. Now finally serve with rice. You'll find the rice recipe in a separate video.